That's what's happening, most likely, in my opinion. They didn't get caught on a project. Well, I'm not gonna get caught on the next project either. So you don't get caught on 3 or 4 projects not getting engineering done. It's installed, you've walked away from the project and nobody's asked for those calcs.
Yeah.
You get in your head, oh, I can just get around it and not actually have to do the right thing until they get burned really bad.
And give some examples of when they get burned.
When they get burned, they come to us.
But what is the consequence to the glazing contract?
So-
It's being burned meat.
Last year or the year before, I had a project where they came to us, we engineered everything, and after that, we found out everything was already installed. They never let us know about it. And then it spiraled into a big issue. They had to rip everything out. So that's a potential outcome if they don't have engineering done. They may get caught down like a short time down the line. And then they backtrack and say, hey, we need engineering on this, but we've already installed. So
Lawsuits.
And I want to make 2 points about that. So one, they say $2,000 or $4,000 to spend thousands, hundreds of thousands of time and money. That's a big spank. And the other thing is, there is of the top 50 glazing contractors that we've tracked for more than 20 years, there is almost a 30% turn of those companies that go out of business. And I've talked to many of those business owners personally, firsthand, and asked them what happened. Often they just grew too fast. And there were project managers that came in that weren't trained, that didn't know, and there was a history of kind of cutting corners that the owners weren't exactly aware of. Because when you grow fast and you have all these new people and you think they're experienced and then you find out the hard way they're not, it's a deal killer.
Yeah, our real job, if we think of it this way, is to help protect them, our clients. We're helping to protect them.
One thing we can do internally to really help them too is if a project doesn't have engineering, just don't even show a shadow of a fastener connecting to this perimeter. Like simply just show the frame, whatever substrate is, and just don't show any type of anchorage. And hopefully that's going to let them to say, okay, how do we anchor this thing? Which
Yeah, we don't show anchorage. We're not doing engineering.
It's just a line, a center line that is
Yeah,
standard.
manufacturer shows on there.
Manufacturer, yeah.
Do a center line where their die lines are on their material.
Okay.
Framer
Because that opens us
broken.
up for liability and I don't think we're responsible for that.